First, place a zip tie diagonally in the middle gap. Measure out 6 inches and twist, then push down into the middle gap. You can also pinch and twist once the ribbon is in position. The important thing is to have the back side of the ribbon up. Measure a 6-inch loop and return to the middle gap. Pinch and press down and twist again. Make sure the back side is up and measure another 6-inch loop. Return to the middle gap, pinch and push, but this time don't twist because we want the front side facing up. Cut a 6-inch tail. Now arrange the tails and loops into an X shape. You can have both loops on top or have the loops diagonal from each other. Now cut your dovetails. You can do these as you go, or you can save them all till the end, however you prefer to work. Now cut your first streamer. I'm cutting a 24-inch long piece in order to make 12-inch long tails. Dovetail the ends, and remember you can do this as you work or all at the end. Place the streamer in the bottom gap. You can make it even by pulling on the ends. Now measure a 5-inch tail and place in the middle gap. This is woven ribbon that looks the same on both sides, so you don't have to worry about twisting to get the right side up. Just make your 5-inch loops and tails. Now arrange into an X. Measure another 5-inch tail, push and twist so you see the back side of the ribbon again, and form your 5-inch loop. Push and twist again and form a second 5-inch loop. Pinch and push. All of this is happening in the middle gap. Now cut your 5-inch tail. Arrange into an X. This helps with fluffing after the bow is tied together and keeps the bow balanced. Don't forget the streamers. You can add them at any point since they go in a separate gap. I'll put them on in the same order I did the loops. The 24-inch long cuts of ribbon are essentially folded in half to create 12-inch long streamers on the final bow. Our last ribbon is 7/8 inches wide, and I'm making 4-inch long tails and loops. This is another woven ribbon, so I don't have to be concerned with twisting. Just pinch and push. Take notice how the measurements have decreased from 6 inches to 5 inches to 4 inches as I've added layers. This helps the bottom ribbons peek out from behind the top ones. I'm cutting this streamer a little longer than the others. It's about 28 inches long, and that is because I'm going to curl it and I'd like it to end up roughly the same length as the other streamers. Now find the zip tie. I'm going to keep my hands on both ends of the zip tie and gently lift the ribbons off the pegs. Whoop. Now loosely secure the zip tie. Don't tighten it completely because I want you to be able to turn it to the back. Slip a chenille stem under the zip tie. This will be your hanger. Now you can tighten the zip tie completely. And now the fun part, start fluffing your bow. Arrange the loops and tails so they create an overall rounded shape. Run your fingers under the loops to widen them. I used quality ribbon and a zip tie, so I'm not afraid to get aggressive with this. Just work until you are happy with the placement of everything. To make the curls, start at the bottom of the narrowest ribbon and roll upwards. Grab the end of the ribbon and gently tug downwards to release the curl. I saved most of my dovetails till the end so I wouldn't bore you, but I'll fast forward through them now. Stick around to the end to see the bow on a wreath. The finished masterpiece. Wasn't that easy?